Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So, this is my costume. This is the fourth day, our fourth fast night day. You know, as Nwa Igbo, as Onyi Igbo, as Nwanyi Igbo, we know they carry last. So I'll be wearing other costume, but today I decided to wear African costume, Igbo costume. So that's Nwanyi Igbo. Look at me. As Nwanyi Igbo, are you seeing my skates? My George. You know, those ones we used to wear in the village those days to dance when we are dancing. When we are dancing Eguweso. This is what we used to use to dance. Even in the traditional wedding now, they still use it. You know, the maiden, they still wear it in traditional wedding. You know, it's cold. That's why I have to wear the black one, you know, so I won't freeze. So I won't catch cold. So are you seeing me? Are you seeing my costume today? I want to represent our Igbo culture. So this is me today as an Igbo woman. Look at me. It's my fourth costume for the week. So can you see me? You know, say Igbo, we know they carry last. Wherever we are, we represent ourselves. Wherever we are, we represent ourselves. So I'm representing my Igbo people today. You know Igbo now. Question everywhere. Hey, what is this? What is that? Can I touch it? Can I touch this? That's what I went through today at work. Everybody wants to touch my bead, even the children. They want to touch my hair. So I also have the red one, small one, but this one I couldn't go where it's in my keller, so I couldn't go there to get it. That's why I put this one. Everybody wants to touch my hair, want to touch my clothes. Everyone, a child asked me to make something like this for her. She wants to wear this kind of a thing, you know. But I'm happy. I'm happy to at least. If you show other people's culture, you show your own too. At least to show that you are coming from somewhere. So that is it. So this is my outfit today with my beads and my George, plain George. So you have seen it. So is it? Yeah, my fourth outfit, my fourth costume for our fast snack. That is it. Yeah, thanks. So I'm on break. So that's why I'm making this video. But I have to leave now. Let me do something else before my break will be over. Okay, thank you. I just want to show you my outfit today, my costume today. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you. This is real Igbo woman. Real Igbo woman. If I had brought my other bead, I would have designed my hair very well. But I couldn't go where it is. I didn't have time. So I had to rush out. That's why I didn't get those. I just took this one. Yeah, but said I'm okay. I'm happy. At least I've represented Igbo. Who say I know represent? I represent too. You know, of course, I'm an Igbo woman. Igbo women represent their culture wherever they are. Even if they're in Igbo land, they represent themselves. They don't carry last. Igbo women never carry last. Anywhere we are, we show them that we are Igbo. We are there, we represent. So I'm representing Igbo today. Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you. Wherever you are, if you are Igbo, if you are Yoruba, if you are Hausa, represent yourself. If you know any culture, just represent yourself wherever it is. Don't be shy. The other people's own are not better than yours. Be proud of your culture. I'm proud of my culture. I'm proud of my wear, my outfit. That's why I brought it today to work. I try. You clap for me if you know that what I did is good. Please thumb up. In fact, thumb up for me because I try. It's not easy to represent your people. Thank you. Bye.